Hello YouTube, this is Shurabi, and in this video I want to show you how to implement user role and permission for your exactly Laravel project using Spatie package. Of course, it's one of the best choice you can make using Spatie package. I worked that was a good experience for me. Okay, you have to see the database twice. Okay, one time for creating the role and permission, and after that create the admin role and give it to the user, and at last create the middleware and test it out. Okay, so this is the roadmap, and that's it. Okay, so don't waste time. I don't want to waste your time. So that's it. That was the roadmap. I don't want to waste your time. So quickly, let's go to the screen. So that's it. That was the roadmap. I don't want to waste your time. So quickly, let's go to the screen. Okay, let's go. For the first part, we have to look at this one. I recorded for the second time because the first video. Am I in the video? Oh, what is it? Okay, this video. Okay, look at me. Okay, a little bit. And that's it. And good. I recorded for a second time because the first video the sound didn't record. Okay, so let's go with the speed. Look at this. Okay, and so the title of this video about Spatie. Okay, so we have to install it with using this one. Of course, I installed that Spatie Laravel permission. So look at the not package, composer. Composer. Okay, so Spatie, there it is. And after that, you have to run this one to. I think it's gone with. Okay, let's do it again. So let's run this one, and after that, we have to run this one. Okay. So just keep in mind we have to change the user and add has roles. Okay, this is one of the important parts. So after installing it, we have to do some things. Publish this vendor, and that's it. So what is this? It's kind of migration. It's a kind of migration over there. Look at this. Look at this. The migration didn't came. Permission. Okay, there is. So it's a kind of nested create tables, foreign keys, and etc. Okay, so it will generate 4 kind of tables, I think. Model has roles and permissions came here. Roles came here. Okay, and the permissions is over there. Okay, and model has roles and model has permissions and etc. So this is the kind of tables which Spatie will use, and after that you have to run this one to remove any kind of config. Wow, what are you doing? What was that? What was that error? I don't know. So we run this one, and this is it. Okay, so after that we have to migrate. We have a problem. There are already exist. So artisan migrate, refresh it. As you can see, there is no problem. Oh, there's a problem. Yep. So exist permission exists. So let's say PHP artisan migrate roll back. Users permissions did not roll back. There is some mismatch. Let's remove it from here and problem with foreign keys, and that's it. So let's go with it. Artisan migrate, and let's go. So after that, we have to create some DB. Look at this. Look at this. This is the timeline. So we have to install the package, and after that, role and permission seeder, and after that, admin seeder, and after that, the middleware. Okay, so check if late part, and of course the most important part too, and the usage of this package is there, and after that it's done. Okay, so we've done this. Okay, so let's create the role and permission seeder. Make a role and permission seeder. So let's go with it. Role and permission No. What are you doing, man? Role and fuck it. Role and make. What am I doing, man? Create a seeder, role and permission seeder. Fuck you, buddy. Permission seeder. Let's go with it. So we have to create role. Just be careful. Use its model, okay? Nothing else. It's model, okay? And in the user, you have to say has role, right? So and one of the other important part which someone will ignore it is putting this guard name. Okay, look at this on the YouTube tutorial database. Look at the role. Look at the roles. There is a guard name. Since it's a full stack. Since the Laravel is full stack, we have to specify it's for API or web, because as a default, Laravel will use what's this? Use this. We have two API and web for roles. Okay, so it will use for web guard name. Okay, so we have to specify its API project, so it's the API guard name. So there is, and after that, create the role. Admin role is this, right? So, and after that, we have to create the permissions. All right, so just be careful to use this model. And after that, you have to say name. For example, create user for this guard name API, and there you go. Create, read, update, and delete. All right, look at the pattern. Create, read, update, and delete. Okay, it's CRUD system, right? So look at this. This is model, and after that, if we check, for example, post, it has the same pattern. Okay, so post, create, read, update, and after that, delete. Okay, so this is a kind of pattern. Look at this. Just look at this database seeder and role and permission seeder. It's a very large and very huge project. So we specified its role and permission over here. Okay, so admin, employee, marketer, and user and guest, and we specify the model, and after that the operations. For example, create, read, update and delete. And after that, here on the for loop, we create the role, okay, because this for is based on role name, okay, and their permission. So there is, and after that we open the permission and create the permission with a kind of pattern, okay, with space between action and the model. Okay, we create that permissions, and after that, whenever we want to check it, we, for example, say, does this user able to do update user, update space user. Okay, so this is the permission type. You can see app HTTP middleware, check role and permission over here. Okay, so we get the permission, and after that we say, does this one have the permission to do it or not? Okay, so let's go with it. Ignore it, and okay, so now we want to get this role, these permissions. Okay, so you have to say like this: admin role, get permission, no, assign. What are you doing, man? This kind of role. Okay, wanna give permission to. We have to pass an array. Okay, you can pass single string and pass a array. So we should say create user and read user and update user and delete user. All right. So we create the role, we give it permissions, and we sync it together. If you can see it, okay, create permission, side permission role, so it's done. Just database seeder, we have to pass the role and permission seeder. So let's go. Now let's create another seeder to admin seeder. Okay. So now we can just be careful. First, you have to run this one, and after that, admin seeder. You know why? Because here you can use the admin role with no any stress. Okay. So let's say role find by name. Okay, find by name. Oh, there's a mistake. I use its contract. Okay, so I told you just be careful. Role find by name, admin, and there. So I'm not. So I don't worry about if admin is there or not, because I knew first role and permission came here, and after that here. Okay, and after that here. Okay, so find, you can use even find or create. I knew it. It's a good one. So let's go with it. And after that, we should create the user. Okay, create it. User, right? Okay, so we need a name for that, admin, and email address, admin@gmail.com, for example, or any other thing, or info. No, it's good, because I can remember it easy. And after that, the password is we have to create a hash. No, not this one. Hash. No. Hash. Hash make. 2, 3, up to 10. Yes, this one. Create the hash, and after that we have to get the role. Okay, so here we say assign role, right? Because the VS Code cannot suggest it, right? You have to copy it. And yep, there is. Now we create the user, give it the permission role, and the role have some permission, and that's it. So after that, we have to create a midware, right? Yes, let's create it. Make midware named check permission. First, let's set it to kernel. Here we can say check permission, and after that say check permission here, and after that on API we can say, okay, let's test it. So let's test Spatie, and add a function for it. Return response JSON hi, and there it is. Just add a midware named check permission, pass the data from here, say read user, right? It's a test. Okay, so look at this. We specified the midware to the kernel from here to be able to use it from right there, right? Okay, and after that we pass a string. Okay, it's read user. It's a simple string to check permission. Okay, so look at this, and after that we can say permission name. Easily we can access to this one. Okay, for example, the next one may be, for example, test Spatie 2. We can say, for example, create user. Okay, or any other thing. So it's super dynamic. Let's go with it. And after that we can say, let's put a try, or yes, let's put a try, and I will tell you why. Let's put a try over here and say if $request user can do something, permission name. Okay, if he could not do it, okay, so let's return it unauthorized exception. Okay, this is it. From permission name. Let's go with it. And if it didn't happen, return the next one. Okay, so let's go with it. And after that, if any error happens, do it. Okay, I told you why I put it in try. Look at this one, API. You have to put this midware under this auth API midware. Okay, you know why? Because whenever you want to use it, this request user can, or even auth this helper. Okay, if you want to use it, okay, you have to use this midware on the top, right? So this kind of rule. So whenever you use it, for example, over here, okay, you cannot use this one or this helper, right? So there's a bug. Okay, so any error happens, you have to return unauthorized exception. So there is no any potential of bug, and it's a kind of professional way. So let's go with testing it. I think there's no problem. Let's go with testing this one. So first let's log in, email, admin. I might run the seeders or not. db seed database seeder. That's it. Yep, that's done. So after that, you have to pass the password 1 up to 10. Hit login. The road login could not be found because it's an API. There he is. This is it. This is the token. Pass it to there. And if you are using this reg bin, just be sure this accept application JSON is here. So let's test it if Laravel know me. Yep, it's know me. And after that we test Spatie, and there is hi with 200. So that's it for now. Spatie installation, creating seeders, admin seeder, role and permission seeder, and after that we create a middleware, right, and protect our roads.